So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hear yourself on the on your laptops using mic. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the control panel of your laptops. Inside the control panel, simply go to the option of sound. Click on recording. Now, just simply select any of the microphone. Let's say this one. Right click over there, or just simply double click on that. Now once you do it, just simply go to this option of listen, and here you'll see this option of listen to this device. That means whatever thing that you say on the mic will come to your headphone as well for a cross checking. If I enable it, you'll notice that some of the audio will start playing. Let's say if I select the headphones, and now if I say anything, if I hit apply, now you'll notice that double audio has started to coming from my PC. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.